Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So after staying a couple days at the resort, we booked this gorgeous Airbnb which was very close to the Arenal volcano in La Fortuna. This had a beautiful view of the entire valley and the Arenal volcano on the side. So one of the main attractions in La Fortuna are the La Fortuna waterfalls, where you get here by climbing down 500 steps and get to this beautiful place. You can swim in this water, and yes, you have to climb back up another 500 steps to get back to your car. chocolate and coffee farm.
Really?
Just like a mango, see? They taste like a little different. Grows just in the equator line. You're able to see it once a year. When it comes to cacao, it's all the year around. Let's see, guys, more trees. Very good. So, the pollinator con mucho gusto.
Gracias.
Con mucho gusto, chicos. Espresso bean. Con gusto. There you go. Bean.
Yeah.
Theobromine, you can find it in mates or black teas. Theobromine, let's say, stimulates the serotonins in your blood that increase your mood.
Wow.
That's why chocolate makes you happy. It's good for humans, but it's not good for babies. But I need one volunteer. Who wants to do it? You do it? Okay, show me your muscles. Come here. See? At the end, you will get a Oompa Loompa certification. No, don't worry. You can turn in this direction. Very nice, just like that. You will see a face coming out. Vamos, vamos, faster, faster. You can do it. Here we go. Look at that. That's the pace 100%. Very good. At that point, the taste is not sweet. Remember, cacao, it means bitter, right? Like the real hot chocolate. Chocula, bitter water. Mayas, Aztec, they used to mix this paste with hot water and spices like chili, vanilla, cinnamon, and it was super strong. Very good.
Like, is there any use for just like straight 100%?
Well, 100% is more like for baking, cooking, see. Oh, some people like the taste of the 100.
What about the massage you were talking about? Do they use any?
They use like dark chocolate with extra butter. It is more like for a massage, people use more like 70%, 80%. Cacao.
This brew is dangerous.
Really good.
We got to try different concentrations of chocolate and even made our own with sea salt, peanuts, coconut, tahini.
Cocoa tea. There you go.
Thank you so much.
Con mucho gusto. Gracias. Con mucho gusto.
So what does this kind of taste like? Chocolate or not?
Like a real smooth hot chocolate. But with the cinnamon. You can see the chocolate. This is still sweet.
Thank you.
Con mucho gusto. Thank you. Con mucho gusto. The other one, 70 with coffee. Little by little. Muy bien. To get the light roast, in this small roaster, it takes 6 minutes for the light roast. 2 more minutes.
Up next, we went to the Los Lagos resort. Our Airbnb came with access to here, so we decided to go check it out.
Kaya ganyan mo.
Too hot.
Pura vida.
On our last day, we decided to do the ATV tour again because we had such a great time. So we booked another session with them. They had this amazing attraction on their property that we saw the first time and it blew our minds. So we had to come back. the main reason to do the ATV tour was to come back to the mother of all, hot springs.